Here I have Honor 6X, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the settings, scroll down to advanced settings, and right here you have to choose backup and reset. It's located under other tab. So let's choose backup and reset, select network settings reset, and this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you are aware of this, let's choose network settings reset, and to begin the whole operation, tap network settings reset button again. Alright, let me tap no, and the network settings have been reset. Now you can go back and enjoy using your default network settings. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.